The first step to requesting a grade of credit, no credit for the spring 21 semester is to log into my CSUSM. Then you go to the Student Center, and under Academics, you'll see a drop-down menu. And here I'm going to click Enrollment, Edit, and the blue button. Then I'll select the term, Spring 2021, Continue. And here it will ask me to select which class I want to change. And I will pick the class from my schedule. Proceed. On this screen, you'll see that the grading basis currently is graded. And I can now change that to credit, no credit. Hit Next. And then finish editing. And this little green checkbox right here means that I have been successfully changed to credit, no credit grading for that class. And my instructor at the end of the semester will only be able to choose from credit or no credit.